Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily bass boost in CapCut. So here I've already imported a video along with the audio. What you need to do the bass boost is just click on the audio that you add and then copy it as many times as you like to have that boost effect. And after you copy it, drag it and put it at the bottom of the first audio and just repeat the steps to have that bass that you want. Okay, I'm going to copy it 3 times, so there are 4 audio like this. Okay, just drag it, and after that your audio will become like this. It might be better if you have like music that has more beats than the first one, or like not slow like the one I add. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.